We are still in Reggae Month. A few of our dancehall and reggae artists, they were recognized with keys and citations in Lauderhill, Florida yesterday. Jamaican-born Mayor of Lauderhill, Florida, Denise Grant, she's here to tell us and joining us via Zoom some more about music's impact on the city. Welcome to you, Mayor.
Thank you so much for having me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Absolutely.
How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you guys doing today?
Very good.
Yeah, give thanks, give thanks. I know you're in Florida, you're not supposed to have any snow and all kinds of stuff, but we're having strange times. What is it like in Florida right now?
Listen, we are having strange times too. It is actually quite chilly, and it's been on and off for, I say, about 6 weeks or so. So yeah, experiencing some of that New York weather.
Oh, wow. Mayor, I mean, you made Jamaica here smile yesterday, because when we saw dancehall icons, Vybz Kartel, Beenie Man, Spragga, Benz, Busy Signal, Wayne Wonder being awarded, I mean, that was a beautiful moment. And persons were asking, why are they getting this award? Why are they getting this kind of acknowledgement right now?
Sure. Thank you so much for asking about that. The city of Lauderhill, where I govern, actually, we have 75,000 residents and a very large Caribbean population, and Jamaicans, of course, like everywhere else across the world, quite vibrant. And so as a result of that, we wanted to ensure that not only are we celebrating the essence of Black History Month, but we're also including Reggae Month as well. And so in that sort of celebration, we were able to bring in the artists that you mentioned. And we weren't necessarily just celebrating them for their contribution to reggae or dancehall, but also their contribution to humanitarian efforts. We understand what had happened in Jamaica. And during that time, I believe Jamaicans, of course, were very resilient people, but not that we lost hope. We needed a little bit of encouragement and help. And so those individuals, along with a list of others from the fraternity of music, really came down and they did a very, very good job. And so seeing that, I think it was just important to celebrate them and to let them know that we appreciated their efforts.
You know, Debbie said at the top that you're Jamaican-born. I congratulate you on your position, ma'am.
Thank you.
Because of that, did that make you kind of feel a little bit better because you're highlighting some outstanding Jamaicans?
Well, it made me feel proud. I was proud at that moment to be in the position, in the capacity to be able to do that. And so in terms of leading that sort of initiative, it really brought a lot of inspiration to the city. I think a lot of us, of course, grew up on the music of, especially with Beenie Man, knowing the sound of Vybz Kartel and his influence, Spragga Benz, Wayne Wonder, the statesman, of course, and also Busy Signal. And so bringing all of those persons to the city, I'm telling you, they're still raving about it. Just the whole essence of the brotherhood in City Hall for one cause, understanding that it was humanitarianism and that we were really honoring them for their good work.
And the keys to the city. I've always wondered, what's the criteria for someone to get the keys to the city? I've never been given a...
They actually got the keys to the county.
Ooh.
To the county.
We acknowledge them, of course, with a proclamation from the city. They got keys to the county. They also received citation and proclamation from our state senator, our state representatives, and Congress. So our congressional leader was there as well to be able to give them a proclamation. And the importance of that is that each of their names are written in the Library of Congress and documented for the work that they have done.
Wow.
So keys to the county is essentially just saying, listen, anytime you are here, you are welcome. And you have access as well to our elected officials. I joked about it and told a few of them, listen, we are not asking you to get tickets, but if you do, call the commissioner that gave that to you.
Mayor, I have to ask you, a proclamation...
And Vybz advised us openly that I'm not getting a ticket.
Oh, I'm sure he's not going to get a ticket. But Mayor, I mean, I think you kind of mentioned it right now, but I mean, from the musical perspective and the cultural perspective, right? A proclamation in hand, the keys to the county, what does that open up for them, though? What do you think that actually gives them, in addition to the access, of course, to the city and to those in the position of power?
I think more so it gave to them a sense of inspiration and motivation and probably empowerment too, to know that we are watching and that we see the work that they have done, their contribution to the culture, their contribution to music, to the genre, is really undeniable and it's imperative. But nevertheless, it was good for them to understand their greater why. I've always said that there's a point in time when you're going to ask, who am I? And why am I here? And I think that moment in itself, when Melissa came in and really tried to devastate parts of Jamaica and did, they did not lose courage. And what they did was they utilized their artistry and their influence in that particular platform to bring hope to a nation and to their people, our people.
And does that hope extend to like young black creatives when they see something?
Of course.
When they see something like this? Go ahead, ma'am.
Absolutely. I believe it does, because it says that I am greater than just the lyrics that I sing, and there's more to me. They saw another side of these artists, and that was what was really heart-warming for me in particular. When I watched and knew that I had to be here in the United States, of course, our city rallied together as well and mobilized. We were able to send lots of things to Jamaica to be able to assist. And I sent individuals down to give capital monies to various parishes and to the Custis of Manchester and so on. As you know, Neville, I'm from Manchester. So, well, Christiana, there were parts that were also devastated. Yeah. But for young people to be able to see that, it just gave them a sense of purpose, right? Something deeper than themselves, something deeper and greater than what was before them. So I think in terms of that, young artist is the quest to, yes, the music is great. We vibe to it. It's important. But beyond that, what else am I here to do? Yeah. And I think that those artists, they answered the yes.
Yep. Debbie said at the top, Jamaican-born. Can you give us a nutshell history of Jamaica to where you are now?
Yes, I'm so proud to be from Christiana, Manchester, and that's where I was born, in Spalding Hospital. I still have a lot of family there. I come down a lot. I don't know, Neville, if you remember when I was actually running for mayor 2 years ago, you gave me an interview and we talked a bit about that. Yep. And my history in Jamaica. Of course, family coming from humble beginnings, but having great pride and ambition, as all of us Jamaicans do, and just making sure that we understood purpose. And I knew that my purpose was really giving back, and it was in public service. So I've always really set my education and my career towards that. And I'm here now as the mayor of the city of Lauderhill.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. My mom is from...
in addition to that, my son is a reggae boy. Do you remember that, Neville?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. My mom is from... My mom is from Christiana, so I wonder if we're related, Mayor.
We might be. You never know. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Mayor, these artists, they're touring artists. They're always doing some shows in Florida. And I know a lot of them would want to do their own shows right now. Is there going to be support to be given to them if they wanted to do their own events?
Oh, sure. And these artists are so established that I'm sure anywhere that they decide to do a show, persons will be open to assisting them. But these are, for me, the work that they have done is so positive. And this is really about humanitarianism that ensure. I know that Spragga had reached out even prior and said, listen, I want to be able to do like a peace walk in the city of Lauderhill. Let's get the electeds together. Let's get community leaders, and let's do that. And so that's something that we're looking into as well. And I believe that all of them are looking to do even greater things on that platform. And even the show, yes, of course, we're open to that too. Lauderhill is known to be their areas that they call Jamaica Hill. We have a great Jamaican diaspora population. And so as a result of that, we're open to that, yes.
Yep. I congratulate you again, Mayor Grant, on your rise. And I thank you so much for speaking with us this morning. I hope it doesn't get too cold, but God bless you.
Yes, and thank you so much for having me. And I just want to say to the Jamaican people that, of course, we love you. You're resilient and very courageous. And I know that we are going to rebuild even stronger. And I can see that that's happening already. Thanks to Sean, the contractor, who's always quite supportive and ensuring that I get the news right away of what's happening in my native land. Thank you.
Anybody you want to say hi to in Jamaica before you go?
Yes, to my Uncle Errol, who's there, my Auntie Bev, and all of my cousins, Junie, and everyone else. Thank you, and just continue to keep the faith. And this is Reggae Month, so let's celebrate.
And your brother Neville.
Oh my gosh.
And my brother Neville, of course.
Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you, Mayor Grant. God bless you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Mayor of Lauderhill, Florida, Denise Grant. Beautiful. The band is still here with us. Lots of love they say they're going to do for us now. Let's go across.
Oh yeah, my love for you will never change, girl. There's a whole lot of love I have to give you, girl. And every breath that I take, girl, is for you. And every step that I take, every move that I make is with you. There's a whole lot of love I have for you. Oh yeah, there's a whole lot of love I have for you. Listen, I've been waiting for you all my life. Girl, you came right in the nick of time. Like stars in the skies, I see you shine. Like magic, you captivate my mind. Relationships are hard to build. Us together make our dreams fulfill. I'm so happy that you're in my life. Being it together to the end of time. The love I have to give you, girl. And every breath that I take, girl, is for you. And every step that I take, every move that I make is with you. There's a whole lot of love I have for you. Oh yeah, there's a whole lot of love I have for you. Listen, this is my heart being sung to you. The love I have, girl, is true. My arms are open wide for you. The feeling of a skin, the mood you put me in. Relationships are hard to build. Us together make our dreams fulfill. I'm so happy that you're in my life. Being it together to the end of time. There's a whole lot of love I have to give you, girl. Every breath that I take, girl, is for you. And every step that I take, every move that I make is with you. There's a whole lot of love I have for you. Oh yeah, there's a whole love you forever. Let's stay together. Your love I treasure. You don't have to be alone no more. You don't have to be alone no more. There's a whole lot of love I have to give you, girl. And every breath that I take, girl, is for you. Oh, yeah. Every step that I take, every move that I make is with you. There's a whole lot of love I have for you. Yeah. There's a whole lot of love I have for you.